students, we complete first lesson sources of history. Today I will tell you some important points of sources of history. Introduction. In this lesson we study the sources of history. We studied the sources of ancient and medieval Indian history, and now this year we are going to study sources of modern India history. Sources of modern history. Here is a types of sources of modern history. Material sources, written sources, oral sources, audiovisual sources. These are the types of sources of modern history. First, material sources, buildings and monuments. The periods of British rule and the period of governance of princely states is known as the period of modern India history. Various buildings, bridges, roads and water supply system, fountains, etc. were built during this period. Government offices, residences, officers, leaders and revolutionaries, palaces, forts, prisons, etc. were built. Some of these monuments are declared as a national monument, while some converted into museum. Museum preserves objects, paintings, photographs, tools, etc. These material sources are very important and helpful for researcher. This is a material sources. Then next, statue and memorials. During the pre-independence and past independence period, memorials of many personalities were erected in the form of statue. These statues are very important to study modern history. The statue provides information about the contemporary rulers of eminent personalities. Second point is written sources. Here we complete material sources. Then next, written sources. Here is some points of some types of written sources. Newspapers and periodicals, autobiographies, books, biographs, correspondence, foreign account, factory records. These are the types of written sources. First, newspaper and periodicals. Newspaper provides information about the contemporary events. We get information about the political, social, economical and cultural happenings of that period. In the pre-independence period, newspaper like Jnanoday, Jnana Prakash, Amrit Bazar Patrika, then next Deenbandhu, Kesari, acted as important sources of awakening the minds of people. During the British period, newspapers were not only the source of political events but also acted as a sources of social reformation. Now, maps and drawings. The changing nature of activity or a particular location can be traced through maps. The Survey of India was an independent department established during the British period. Through scientific methods of survey, they have created maps of India. Now, oral sources. Here is some points of oral sources. Folk song, povada, folk tales, narrations, interview, inspirational songs, rhythmic prose यानी OV, fairies, jalsa, art groups. These are the types of oral sources. Okay, inspirational songs. During the period of freedom movements, various inspirational songs were composed. Povada is a source for getting information about a historical events. It is used to create motivation and spirit among the people. Next, 4 point, video, audio and audiovisual sources. During the modern period, photography, recording, films, etc. can be used as a source of history. Photographs. First we see photographs. It is a visual source of modern Indian history. Photographs are considered to be more reliable. The photographs of person gives information about the physical features, dressing style, etc. Photograph of an event give a visual image of the event which helps to understand nature. Now, recordings. It is a form of audio source of history. The speeches of leaders or important personalities, song, etc. are available in the form of recordings. They can be used as a source of history. Understand that recording is used as a source of history. Films. Now last point is films. It is a unique discovery of modern technology developed in 20th century. When it is developed in 20th century. Dada Saheb Phalke in the year 1913 laid the foundation of Indian film industry. Audio-visual recording of Dandi Yatra, Satyagraha, Quiet India movement and such other historical incidents are available. As compared to ancient and medieval period, the sources of study of modern history are found in the abundance and variety. Means it is a more useful and helpful to study of history, which the sources of study of modern Indian history. Museum, archives preserve the source of history. This source gives evidence of our rich cultural heritage. Okay. While referring the written sources, the ideology and opinion of the author recording the particular event should be examined. Here we complete important points of lesson first, sources of history. Now we see the first lesson of civics. We study the first lesson of civics. First of all, you point out all important points of sources of history. In this video, we discuss important points of sources of history.